Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, gather the necessary tools for this battery replacement. You will need a Phillips number 0 screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and an anti-static wrist strap for safety. Make sure you work in a clean, static-free environment to avoid damaging any components. Start by shutting down your laptop and disconnecting it from the power source. It's essential to ensure no power is running through the device. Next, flip the laptop over to access the battery compartment. Locate the screws securing the back cover of your HP NV17BW0001NS. Using your Phillips screwdriver, carefully remove these screws. Keep them in a safe place as you'll need them to reassemble the laptop later. There are typically 5 screws you need to remove, so double-check that none are left behind. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the back cover. Take your time with this step to avoid damaging the clips. If you feel resistance, double-check that all screws have been removed. After the cover is off, you will see the internal components of your laptop. Now, locate the battery. It's usually a rectangular component with a connector attached to the motherboard. Disconnect the battery from the motherboard by gently pulling the connector, taking care not to tug on the wires. If you're unsure about the connection, consult your device's manual for guidance. Before you insert the new battery, take a moment to clean the internal components. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove any dust or debris. This is important for ensuring optimal performance and longevity of your device. Now, take your new battery and connect it to the motherboard, ensuring that the connection is secure. If you don't have the tools or feel uncomfortable doing this yourself, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, along with pickup and delivery at your home. This ensures a hassle-free experience without the need for calls or travel. After connecting the battery, place the back cover back onto the laptop. Make sure all clips are aligned correctly before pressing down firmly to secure it. Reinsert the screws you removed earlier, ensuring they are tightened but not overly so, as this could damage the casing. With everything secured, flip the laptop over once more and connect it to the power source. Press the power button to ensure the laptop turns on. If it powers up, congratulations on successfully replacing the battery. If you experience any issues, don't hesitate to reach out for a quote before repair. Remember, we are here to assist you with any technical issues you may encounter. In summary, replacing the battery in your HP NV17BW0001NS is a straightforward process with the right tools and precautions. Always prioritize safety and cleanliness to ensure your laptop continues to function optimally. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.